Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to Perfect Pitch Cooking. I just want to say shout out to my brother Jeremy for helping me film the video. In this video we're going to be making a fried pork with egg on the side and a homemade dipping sauce. God bless everyone. Please enjoy the video. Thank you. First things first, you want to grab your meat and you want to add some salt, pepper and some chili. After you have the meat prepared, you want to get 2 bowls and add rice flour to both of them. After you've got the 2 bowls ready, you want to add pepper in one of them and make sure to add a lot. After that, you want to season the flour mixture with salt and more pepper. With the other flour mixture with no salt and pepper, you want to add 1 whole can of beer or non-alcoholic beverage. If you don't have that, you can also use an egg, water, or etc. If your batter is too wet, just add a bit more flour from the other mixture and it should help it. And just constantly keep stirring it till it gets consistently similar to this. After you've made the batter, you want to add even more salt to it, just a tiny bit, just about half a teaspoon, and then keep on mixing it. Next, what you want to do is you want to add the meat that's been marinated and seasoned and put it into the dry mixture first. You want to make sure the batter mixture goes everywhere with the meat. Don't be afraid to touch the batter with your hands. You want to continuously mix the meat into the flour so that everywhere is covered with the flour, making sure that when you fry it, it will come out crispy. Once you've battered it for the second time, you want to put it back into the dry mix for the final coating of flour. Making sure that every single part of the meat has been touched by the flour, you want to start getting your oil ready. When you know that the oil is hot, you want to gently place the meat into it, making sure to give each piece enough room for it to fry up evenly and crispy. Keep cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes, letting it fry. You'll know once it's cooked when it is extremely crispy and golden brown. After about 5 to 8 minutes, it should look around like this. Just keep letting it cook and making sure to flip it once the other half is golden.
I just leave. You don't have a stand?
While the pork is cooking, you want to start cooking the eggs for the side. When your pork pieces look like this, they are about 80% ready. They are definitely cooked, but the batter isn't fully cooked yet. When making sunny side eggs, what you want to do is add a tiny bit of water once they're about nearly cooked, and then add the lid to that, and then you just want to close the fire straight away and just let it steam and it'll come out perfectly. As you can see here, your pork should look like this, extremely crispy and golden brown. That looks delicious. Okay, now it's time for the sauce. What you want to do is get some garlic, put it in a small bowl, put some lemon, put some pepper, put put some fish sauce. After that, just give it a taste test and adjust to your liking. We all have different taste buds, so give it a good stir. I just want to say thank you to my mom for teaching me how to make this sauce. With everything ready, we want to assemble. Tell me, would you eat this? Thank you for watching the first episode of Perfect Pitch Cooking. This has been Alex, and thank you for watching. God bless everyone.